Alrighty, I'm Jim. Welcome back to Soldier Farms. I'm in the shop today. We're going to work on finishing up our Longmill build. This is the CNC Labs Longmill Mark 2.5, and it's been a few days since our last video, and I am back in the shop today to try and get this buttoned up. So I'll move you over closer to the work area, and we will begin with buttoning up our drag chains and neatening up our wires. Alrighty, so here we are, and right here is where we're going to begin. I'm going to close up this drag chain that has these the motor wiring harness, the router, power cable, and the inductive sensor wire. So now let's get down here where we are going to we just gently want these in here. Alright, so we got that figured out. And these wires route beneath this mount, and they go up there. So alright, so we should be good there. So now I need to see what our next move is. So I'm going to pause the video and come back. Alrighty, so we're back. I reviewed our next instruction, and essentially our next instruction is to make a neat mess of cables. It says be sure they're bundled together. So I am using these yellow zip ties. Okay, so I got my impact, got some 1-inch screws, and I need a marker. Oh great, I found my marker. So what we are going to do, I want the computer to sit somewhat like that. Now I'm going to take this power supply . Alright, unplugging the stop button. I think an appropriate place for the e-stop is probably going to be right here. Alrighty, so to show you what we did, we fished our wires. Well, we buttoned up our drag chains here and reattached the end of this one. We bundled our wires. Now I haven't tightened those down yet. That'll be for after I get the machine attached, just in case it moves one way or the other. But we bundled the wires as they came out of the box, got the cover back on. I have all of the leads for the sensors bundled because they go in one direction. One wire does go that way, but the other wires do not. One is here, one is here. And then all of the machine leads that go into the drag chain, one for the X, one for the Y, go in there, and the cables come out the bottom. One is here, and one leads through this drag chain and comes out here. So that is where we are for now. This will get neatened up after the machine is attached to the table. That part being done, I am going to call it a day for this video, and I will look into what our next step is. We are ready to square the machine and attach it to the table, and that is something for another video. So bless you all, and thank you for watching.